the farm where the wildflowers sway, Tea Bunny and Buzz found crafts today. Tea leaves and flowers, seeds and stamps, making magic by the barnyard lamps. Nature's treasures everywhere they roam, tea turning the whole green farm into home. Bunny and Buzz gathered leaves so bright-eyed, dancing through the meadow in golden light, and twisting little crowns with flowers and vines, laughing by the creek where the sunlight shines. Poor wearing leafy crowns with cheerful delight, spinning through the gardens morning to night. Tea crafting from nature, happy and free, making tiny wonders from every tree. Buzz hums softly, Bunny hops along, tea turning farm adventures into song. Leaves and petals floating in the air, tea farmyard magic blooming everywhere. Pressed flower bookmarks drying by the door, decorating pages with seeds galore. Desk sticky paws and giggles filled the room, tea pretty little crafts beginning to bloom. Then seed art sparkled bright in the shed, but butterflies and animals carefully spread. Tea crafting from nature, colors all around, tiny seeds and flowers covering the ground. Buzz flutters high while Bunny proudly beams, tea building lovely treasures from their dreams. Every little craft shines warm and bright, filling up the farm with pure delight.